यूट्यूब चैनल से। और आज आप लोगों के साथ बात करेंगे। आज है मंडे और आप लोगों ने जो किनको मार्केट का खुल रहे हैं जो बाज़ार, और आप लोगों के साथ डिस्कस करेंगे स्टॉक मार्केट के बारे में। और पहले आप लोगों के साथ डिस्कस करेंगे सेंसेक्स टुडे के बारे में। और सेंसेक्स टुडे स्टॉक मार्केट लाइव अपडेट, गिफ्ट निफ्टी ट्रेड्स 80 पॉइंट्स हायर and Marico in focus. Sensex today stock market live updates, the business updates of India. Largest private lender HDF Bank is also awaited, and apart from lender, the market will also react to business updates from retailer including Avenues, Supermates, P2, Retail and others. Sensex today stock market live update, the Nifty enters the first fall trading week of 2026 amidst an action-packed weekend not just domestically but also on the global front. The index closed at the record high level on Friday, surpassing the previous high of 26,325. The Nifty Bank also made a new record high in the process, surging over 450 points. The index will be prime focus after a slew of business updates announced by lender from Bank of Baroda to CSB Bank, PNB and others. The business updates of India's largest private lender, HDFC Bank, is also awaited. Apart from lender, the market will also react to business updates from the retailer, including Avenue Supermarkets, V2 Retail and others. Keeps an eye on Coal India ahead of the IPO of subsidiary and ONGC due to the Venezuela explosion. The reaction of most assistance classes, including oil, to the weak developments has been largely stable. Watch this space for all live updates. और आप लोगों ने देखा जो सेंसेक्स टुडे स्टॉक मार्केट लाइव अपडेट्स और to watch from CNBC and TV18 teams. Here a listed of stock in the focus going into trade today. Stock market live updates. ONGC may get $500 million unpaid dividends. Here's now. Monday, January 5 will see a focus on Indian Oil and Natural Gas Corporation (LTD) shares following the US attacks on Venezuela on Saturday, which result in the capture of long-time President Nicolas Maduro and his spouse. Sensex today stock market live updates. Panuwala Pincro updates. Panuwala Pin Q3 updates. AUM up 7.5% YOY and 15.3% QOQ to at 55,000 crore as on the December 31, 2025. और सेंसेक्स टुडे स्टॉक मार्केट अपडेट्स के बारे में और लेटेस्ट अपडेट है। और आप लोगों ने देखा जो जियोपॉलिटिकल इज अप predictable. US Venezuela situation could push China to increase pressures on Taiwan. Remains to be seen whether the US can bring back the monodectarin. US Venezuela situation is going to the strength US position in the Americas. If Iran is shoot any protester, US will take action. China's economy is not a good shape. Hope China does not see the US Venezuela situation as an opportunity to evade Taiwan. India will be a big beneficiary with access to cheaper global oil from market others than Russia. Sensex today stock market live updates. Mega ball. CNBC TV18 market for what is the latest ahead for the Indian market in 2026 and which factor will be the most important role. We bring you the result of the poll feature the biggest and the most influential voice starting at 8:30 a.m. today. Sensex today stock market live update. Indian equities downgrade to neutral by Bernstein. According to the Venugopal Gear, India is one of the most costly equity markets in the world going into 2026, trading at over 20x future price to earn, whereas the average valuation across 15 major global markets, the Bernstein track is 15.1x. Sensex today stock market live updates. Commodity corner. Crude oil price started 2026 from US takeover of Venezuela oil industry, or could lead to the lifting to section on Venezuela crude shale. US coal will reviving crude production, and GS estimated $4 BBL of downside to 2030 oil price if Venezuela crude production raised to 2 MB and do D in 2030. Gold price surged above $4,400 NOJ. Silver plus 4% at above $75 NOJ. Copper plus 2% near record high hit in 2025. US taking over Venezuelan president data, which this week US ISM manufacturing employment data feed official comment. Sensex Today stock market live updates. HDFC Bank reported business update. Average advances under management up 9% YoY at rest 28.63 lakh crore from December quarter. Gross advance UP 11.9% YoY at rest 28.44 lakhs crore. Period and deposit up 11.5% YoY at rest 28.59 lakhs crore. Period in CASA deposit up 10.1% YoY at approx res 9.61 lakhs crore. Sensex Today stock market live updates. Increase on RBL Bank whole call target 305 per shares. Gross loan gross moderated to 13% YoY plus 2% QoQ. Fees 14% last quarter. Sequentially and growth moderated to 2% fees plus 6% last quarter, and declaration in skewed retail segment unsecured book has flat YoY. Core book growth was broadly steady fees last quarter deposit growth. Sequentially deposit grew by 2.6% and was mainly led by term deposit. Gross loan to deposit ratio moderated QoQ. Sensex Today stock market live update. Increased on AUSFB at call target 945 per share. और आप लोगों के साथ आज डिस्कस कर रहा है जो मार्केट के बारे में, स्टॉक मार्केट के बारे में। आज है मंडे और मार्केट का खुलने से पहले आप लोगों के साथ डिस्कस करा है शाम जो मार्केट के लिए लेटेस्ट न्यूज़। और आप लोगों ने देखा जो सेंसेक्स मार्केट स्टॉक मार्केट लाइव अपडेट्स के बारे में, गिफ्ट निफ्टी के बारे में आप लोगों के साथ डिस्कस कर रहा है। आप लोगों ने देख पा रहा है जो निफ्टी ट्रेड्स 80 पॉइंट्स हायर, मेरी क्वीन फोकस। थैंक यू। और वीडियो थोड़ा आगे जाने के लिए सब्सक्राइब करो चैनल को। थैंक यू।